Hi guys, welcome back again. So guys, today I have come to share with you this easy tricks that you can use to make your woman to enjoy sex. Like not only sex, to enjoy big and long cassava without crying of the cassava penning her when you are entering or when you are inside the honey pot. So when I said honey pot, you should already know what I mean. So it is not such name, it is not allowed to call here on this platform. All right. So when I said honey pot, I mean this. When I mean cassava, I mean this. Okay. So guys, moving on to this video. If you are the type that whenever you are having sexual intercourse with your woman, she's always complaining that your cassava is paining her because your cassava is over big and it's over long. Let me tell you guys, I have to be truthful here. Yes, I am a woman. I have to be truthful as well. Women, all women love big cassava, but not when it's over big and over long. Most women, in fact, majority of women, 98% of women don't like extra big and extra long cassava because in fact, it hits inside their womb, which can cause them to throw up at that moment that you both are, enjoy yourself together, and which is not proper. Let me tell you, big cassava is good. Women enjoy, in fact, women love big cassava, but not extra big. There's some men that have extra big and long. It is not their fault. It is just nature. All right. So if you fall into such category, I am here to tell you how you can make your woman, any woman, not just your woman, any woman that you love, even if it's a wife, to always enjoy you, even without, even with you having that extra long and big cassava. Okay, so these tricks will help you very very well. These tricks will help you a lot. First, if it's not your wife, maybe you're not married, especially for unmarried people. If you're not, maybe she's your girlfriend. All right, all you have to do before you go into this treatment is make sure that you both has properly taken your shower, because I am going to be raw in this video. Just sit, sit down, have a chill drink, and then make sure to watch this video to the end. Just make sure that both of you have a proper shower. Clean all the cleanable, all the washable, wash every damn thing that needed to be washed properly clean. Wash it well, and then you both can now start doing the playing. What will you do as a man? As a man that has long and extra big cassava. First thing that you should do is to start making your woman to get to wealth, like get her wealth down there, put her into the high mood, high volume, so that she cannot be able to come back so quickly. All right, how will you do that? You can only achieve that by trying to, suck her belly button. Yes, I know that some women can be very difficult to put into a wealth mood, but you can actually do that by using this trick. This trick works very, very well, and it can make any woman to wear so easily by just sucking her belly button. From her belly button you suck down, assuming this is her belly button. Okay, you suck from this belly button down to closer to her honey pot. So when you get closer to a honey pot, suck around the honey pot, but do not suck the main honey pot. By so doing, and as you are sucking the honey pot, make sure that your two hand is on her what? On her oranges, on her breast. Oh my god. Make sure that your two hands are on her oranges. All right. When I mean oranges, I mean this. Okay. So make sure that your two hands on her breast, on her oranges, while you are also doing the what? The sucking. Okay. Do it for a very long time. As you are doing it, you discover that yes, she is gradually producing the what? The juice that you both will use to enjoy yourself. Okay. Now, when you have seen that yes, the juice is now enough for you guys to enjoy yourself, do not position her into a doggy style. That is the mistake that men that has extra long and big cassava do. No, if you have extra long and giant cassava, that wounds some women, do not give her doggy style. Do not position her for doggy style because she's not going to enjoy it. The best position for doggy style is what? Missionary. No, the best position for men that has long and extra big cassava is what? Missionary. What do I mean by missionary? Missionary whereby the woman will just lie and the woman will just lie down on the bed and you will climb on top of her. That is what is called what? Missionary. And some people will say, hey, you talk too much. You are listening too much. So do not even try this mistake. When you are into the mood, or when you have put her into the mood, do not position her for submission for missionary. I know that you love missionary, but because you want her to enjoy, do not position her to missionary, just to doggy style. Sorry, instead position her to that mission, that style, that the way she is lying. That is the way that you're supposed to, go inside her. Okay, because when you go into missionary into doggy, guys, you will find out that after even being wealth, if you are giving her through doggy style, it will still pain her because your cassava will now go straight to her womb to go and rearrange everything there, and she's not going to find it very enjoyable. It will pain her. It will pain her. So do not give her doggy after you must have put her in the mood. Hmm? Give her missionary. All right? So another thing that you should always do, make sure that you yourself, you are in the mood. Make sure that you yourself, you are in the mood. Okay, before you can now go straight to this particular sex position. So these are the steps, the tricks that you can actually use to make your woman to do what? To enjoy sex. And when you are finally entered inside that place, do not be pumping it steady, 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 like you are hitting it. No, you put, you remove, like insert and remove, insert, remove, insert, remove. In fact, she will be begging you to keep it steady. Do not keep it steady. If she's begging you to keep it steady when you are doing insert and remove, she'll be begging you to put it steady, to leave it there. Don't leave it there. Just keep on inserting and removing. By so doing, she will want to have you every time. Because when she remember the last time, what you did last time, oh, she will want you to keep on giving it to her steady by steady. If you only follow this trick, you find out that it's going to work for you and she will enjoy everything and you too will also enjoy it. Remember, your goal is to make her not to experience any pain because you have a giant, long, and big what? Cassava. Okay, so guys, I will end this video here. But before I go, I have this beautiful product for those of you who are complaining, oh, they can't. I mean, their cassava is not rising up. Like your cassava is not strong whenever you are performing that. You understand? This will make your cassava to be strong. One, it will also make you to last long in the bed. Okay, so this particular product is pretty much affordable and we ship worldwide. So anywhere watching me from, you can get it. It has NAFDAC number. In fact, it's approved by NAFDAC. Okay, so guys, that's it. Just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. Please, after watching this video, like this video and share. If you want to reach me out, reach me at fanusion@gmail.com, at fanusion@gmail.com. But I'm still going to drop my email either at the comment section or at the description box. Okay, so guys, that is just the end of this video for today. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Bye.